Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to today's virtual session of 8th Standard Geography. Let us begin the session with the quote: Never leave things for tomorrow which you can do today. Children, time never waits for anyone. The situation of tomorrow will be different, and there will be some other work you will be engaged in. So, never leave any work for later which can be done now. Children, still now in geography, you came to know about the interior of the earth and humidity and clouds. In the interior of the earth, uh, you came to know that about the crust, mantle, and core. Crust is divided into two parts, that is continental crust and oceanic crust. Mantle is also divided into two parts, that is upper mantle and lower mantle, and core is also divided into two parts, that is inner core and outer core. You came to know about Earth's magnetosphere and how much it is important to save Earth from solar winds. The last topic that I covered, humidity and clouds. In humidity and clouds, you came to know about the process of evaporation, the humidity in the air. You have got an idea about the relative humidity, the absolute humidity, the formation of clouds, and the different types of clouds. Also, I discussed about the cloud burst, the process of cloud burst. Now, today, I would like to introduce the next topic, that is structure of the ocean floor. In this topic, you will come to know about the different structure of ocean floor and what is the importance of those structure, that also will be discussed in this topic. Children, continents and oceans are a part of the lithosphere and hydrosphere respectively. Here I want to discuss about lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth. The lithosphere includes the brittle upper portion of the mantle and the crust, the outermost layers of earth structure. It is bounded by the atmosphere above and the asthenosphere below. There are two types of lithosphere: oceanic lithosphere and continental lithosphere. Oceanic lithosphere is associated with oceanic crust and is slightly denser than continental lithosphere. So, children, what is lithosphere? The lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth, that is known as lithosphere. The lithosphere includes the brittle upper portion of the mantle and the crust, the outermost layers of the earth structure. Children, in the diagram, you can see that the oceanic crust and the continental crust, that is the lithosphere includes the brittle upper portion of the mantle and the crust, And here we can see the oceanic crust and the continental crust. And also below we can see the asthenosphere. And lithosphere is also two types of lithosphere. One is known as oceanic lithosphere. Oceanic lithosphere is associated with oceanic crust, and continental lithosphere, it is associated with continental crust. But oceanic lithosphere is slightly denser than continental lithosphere. So children, you can see the diagram on your screen, and also you have got an idea about what is lithosphere. Now the next one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water on a planet. The hydrosphere includes water that is on the surface of the planet, underground, and in the air. A planet-side hydrosphere can be liquid, vapor, or ice. On Earth, liquid water exists on the surface in the form of oceans, lakes, and rivers. So, children, what is hydrosphere? A hydrosphere is the total amount of water on a planet. That may be in the liquid form, in the gaseous form, or in the solid form. So, the total amount of water on a planet, that is known as the hydrosphere. And another very important term I should mention here, that is the crustal plate. What is crustal plate? Crustal plates, also known as tectonic plates, from the outer layer of the earth. Children, the outer layer of the earth, ultimately it is formed with the help of the tectonic plates. There are 7 major plates and many smaller plates. Tectonic plates contain both the Earth's crust and uppermost part of the mantle. So, children, the oceanic crust and the continental crust, they are on the tectonic plates. Tectonic plates form the outer layer of the earth. The outer layer of the earth, we know that it is crust, and there are 7 major tectonic plates. Children, on the screen you can see that the different tectonic plates are mentioned here. You can see the Eurasian plate, African plate, Australian plate, Pacific plate. These are all different plates, and tectonic plates form the outer layer of the earth. Continents and oceans lie on tectonic plates.